Are you looking to find how you can join live in Yubo? Yubo relies on real-time experiences like gaming or even video live streaming in order for young people to connect through the shared interests and likes. Hello everyone, welcome to How to Guide. In today's guide, we're gonna see how we can join live on Yubo. It's pretty simple. Just go to Yubo app, launch it. Once you're signed in, at the bottom section, there is this icon with squares. Let's click on it. This is the page where we can see all the lives that are currently happening. So if you want to start watching the live, you can just click on this, start, watch your first live, and we can start seeing the live, right? Now you know how to join or see live in Yubo. Thank you guys for watching. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumb, and for future video updates, make sure to subscribe to our channel How to Guide. Until next time, bye bye.